Hi, my name is Whitney and I'm with Cat's Rule. I'm going to help you set up your new Cat's Rule watering hole fountain. But first, thank you for buying our fountain. We appreciate your business. Now we know your cats will drink more water, which is great for their overall health and wellness.
Before setting up your fountain, especially if you haven't used a fountain for your cat before, we recommend that you give your cat a chance to get used to his or her new fountain. Try and place your fountain next to your cat's water bowl. Do not remove the water bowl. Let your cat tell you when it is time to remove it.
Some cats will immediately start drinking from their fountains. Others take a little time to get comfortable with it. Don't panic if your cat doesn't drink from the fountain right away. Almost all cats will. Again, you just need to give some of them time to get used to it.
Okay, now to set up your fountain. Whether you get the classic frog or the new fish design, the setup is the same. Open your box and take out all the parts. This should include your frog top basin, your bottom basin, and a package containing 2 filters.
Gently but firmly place your frog onto the top basin. Start back to front,
Making sure that the tube is solidly inserted into the hole in the top basin, like this. Then make sure the holes on the underside front of the frog fit onto the posts on the top basin. Once again, gently but firmly push down. Make sure the frog is sitting snugly on the top basin. Next, take one of the carbon filters out of the package of 2 filters that come in your box. Rinse the filter under cold water for 20 to 30 seconds to rinse off any residue. Then place the filter into the slot on each side of the filter housing area in the bottom basin, like this.
Our number one question for this product is how long will my filter last? Not to worry, we do sell refills on the website. But the answer is on average about 3 or 4 weeks. That will depend on a couple of factors. One being how many cats are drinking from it, and 2, the quality of water that you're putting in it.
Now it's time to make sure everything is set up correctly on your pump. First, check the motor level on your pump, like this.
Make sure the motor level on the pump is always set at the plus sign, which controls the flow of the water. This can accidentally move during shipping, and if it isn't in the right position, it may cause the flow of water to slow down to a dribble.
Then, place the pump in the correct position in the bottom basin.
Sometimes the pump shifts in the carton, so it is very important to make sure that you position it so the suction cups on the bottom of the pump are securely in place in the square area in the bottom basin like I am doing now. Make sure the QC sticker on the pump is facing forward. Then just make sure the power cord cover is firmly in place, again as I am doing now.
Your pump connects to the tube with a small black cylindrical pump connector.
This piece is critical to make sure your pump will work well. It should already be attached to the top of your pump, but again, sometimes it comes off in shipping. Make sure it is attached to the top of the pump like this.
The next thing is to put your frog in place. You want to start at the back and work your way to the front, using the tabs provided, inserting them into the slots of the bottom basin. This will ensure the frog's tubing lines up with the pump at the bottom, giving the best water flow.
Now your fountain should be ready to fill.
Fill with cold, clean water and fill up to the maximum level water marking on the bottom basin. Once water is in the fountain, you can plug it in. Never plug it in until it is filled correctly with water.
Also, make sure your hands are dry before plugging the fountain in.
The water should flow out of the frog's mouth in a steady stream. It should be very quiet. Always double check that the frog is firmly and correctly placed onto the top basin. Then make sure the top basin slots are inserted into the bottom basin for optimum operation of your new watering hole frog fountain.
Now, just wait for your cats to start drinking.